Hello friends, welcome to Safar Ki and Ka. Today we are making a very special dish which is close to our heart. In simple Tamilian words, this is called Rasam, but you can call it rainy season special soup, immunity booster soup, best soup to treat cold and cough, or even refreshing soup during fever. Check the description box below to know the detailed list of ingredients and its respective quantities. Firstly, soak tamarind in warm water for 15 to 20 minutes. In a pressure cooker, add 1 cup tur dal and add some water with a pinch of turmeric powder. Pressure cook it for 4 to 5 whistles. Once the tur dal is cooked, keep it aside. Now let's roast the dry masalas to make the delicious rasam powder. For this masala we need 1 tablespoon black pepper, 2 tablespoons of cumin seeds, 2 tablespoons coriander seeds, 10 to 15 dry chilies. Roast them without oil and salt. You have to roast it till the time it releases nice aroma. Keep it aside and allow it to cool down completely. Once it is cooled down completely, add this in a mixing jar and turn it into a powder. You can store this rasam powder for a good 15 to 20 days. Next, in a blender, add 2 tomatoes, soaked tamarind water. This is exactly the same tamarind that we had soaked in the beginning. Just make a puree out of it and use it in this mixture. Add curry leaves, add few coriander leaves, six to 7 garlic cloves, 1 inch of ginger, and blend everything well. Now finally, take a pan or vessel of your choice. It is time to bring everything together for the final climax of this recipe. Firstly, add the blended tomato puree. Add 2 tablespoons of rasam powder that we just made. A pinch of turmeric powder and a pinch of asafoetida powder. Give it a nice stir. And now add the cooked tur dal. Smash the tur dal a little bit. Add salt to taste. Now mix everything well. Allow it to come to a boil and eventually keep mixing it. People who have been ill or down with flu can load upon rasam for easy inflow of vitamins and nutrients. Rasam is like a warm hugging desi soup which promotes the removal of toxins and speed up the metabolism. And also for the people looking for miraculous weight loss, this soup is the best since it's loaded with antioxidants. You can adjust the consistency of this soup as per your choice. I have kept it a bit thick. Once done, keep it aside and it's time for tempering this soup. For tempering, add 1 tablespoon of ghee to the tadka pan, half teaspoon of mustard seeds, few curry leaves, and that's it. Pour it on our rasam. This delicious rasam cum soup is ready to relish. Do try this amazing, miraculous, simple, easy recipe and let us know how it turned out. Do like and share this video. Subscribe to our channel Safar Ki Anka. See you soon.